Good morning. Welcome to your 8:15 Daily Operations Weather Briefing. We're going to have a rainy day across the region today, expecting anywhere from 1 to possibly 3 inches of rainfall across the area. So we're going to see a good amount of rainfall, heavy rainfall at times, as well as a very slight chance of a thunderstorm, about a 15% chance of a thunderstorm throughout most of the day today, with a few areas of low pressure moving through the region. I also see some breezy conditions from time to time, especially once moving the afternoon hours and the early evening hours today. Just taking a look at our current surface analysis, we do have an area low pressure off to our south. It's going to be moving through the region forward later this morning into the early afternoon hours. That's going to push lots of moisture in the region, giving us heavy rainfall across the area. And we'll have a second area of low pressure moving through for this evening into the late evening hours, giving us additional chances of rainfall. Our current observation, we have a few clouds at 300 feet, broken deck at 1,500 feet, overcast deck at 3,600 feet, 2.5 miles statute visibility with moderate rainfall, winds out of the northeast at 8 knots, temperature 47 degrees, and relative humidity at 100%. So taking a look at our current satellite as well as our composite reflectivity, you can see here this area low pressure off to our south, moving that rainfall through our area currently and bringing more rainfall up north with that area low pressure for later on this morning into the afternoon hours. Going to see low clouds in the region today as well, and then we see more rainfall behind that with additional area low pressure. So looking like a rainy day across the region today. And taking a look at the HRM model for today, you can see that heavy rainfall across the area this morning into the afternoon hours. Should see a break most likely after about 2 to 3 o'clock this afternoon in the heavy rainfall, just some showers after that. And then once we move into the evening hours, looks like about after 4 to 5 o'clock this afternoon into the evening hours, should see some more showers moving the region, possibility of seeing some heavy showers as well when this cold front moves to the region associated with the additional area of low pressure. So taking a look at our risk chart for today, red conditions for our rain through midnight. We'll see ceilings around 500 feet for today as well. Chance of heavy rainfall across the region, with that expected anywhere from 1 to 3 inches of rainfall today. We'll see a 15% chance of a thunderstorm from now through 1400 local. Then should see a break between 14 and 1800 local, and then bring back in that 15% chance of a thunderstorm from 20 local till midnight Thursday. As far as their ceilings go, we're going to see low ceilings throughout the day today with this rainfall in and out of the region. Especially during the afternoon hours, could see those ceilings lower back down when we don't see the rainfall in the region or just some light rainfall, but currently do have those ceilings at 2,000 feet. As far as our temperatures go today, we'll see a high around 58 degrees today, low tonight around 49, by Thursday 8 local. We'll see some additional areas of low pressure move through the region, so one for early this afternoon and then additional one for the evening hours. And with those area low pressures moving through, could see some winds out of the southeast 10 to 15 knots, gusts to 23 knots, and then out of the south at 10 to 15 knots, gusts to 23 knots for both time periods for the early afternoon hours as well as the evening hours to the late evening hours for today. And then tomorrow morning we'll just see some northwesterly flow around 7 to 12 knots. Our tides are half to 1 foot above normal currently, and looking at Thursday and Friday, much calmer period of weather comparatively to today. Thursday, overcast and mostly cloudy, slight chance of brief rain shower in the morning. Be slightly breezy, high 59 degrees. Should see those ceilings above 500 feet, so going with a green for our ceilings on Thursday. Thursday night, mostly clear to partly cloudy, low 41, and for Friday, we'll have high pressure in control, partly mostly cloudy and slightly breezy, high 55 degrees, green chart across the board for Friday. Well, that's going to complete our 8:15 Daily Operations Weather Briefing. I hope everybody has a great day today. Back at 10 o'clock. Look the next 7 days.